Hello and welcome to this evening's edition of E-Prime. I'm Daedran. Historical landmark vandalized. Bob Marley's Hollywood Walk of Fame star has been vandalized. Investigations are continuing. Reports suggest that the reggae veteran star was struck with a sledgehammer or something heavy, causing damage to the terrazzo and brass monument that existed on Hollywood Boulevard. The star is to be repaired by the Hollywood Historic Trust today and will cost roughly US $3,000. Bob Marley was honored with a star on the Walk of Fame in 2001 for his legendary works in reggae music and is the only Jamaican artist to have a star on the Walk of Fame. The Queens of Reggae Island Honorary Awards ceremony, Corrick, is back again to honor the works of our Jamaican women. This year will see the honoring of 11 females in their respective categories, and one such female is reggae recording artist Lady G. The reggae icon joins us tonight to share her outlook on the awards.
Well, I'm definitely happy. I'm excited. And I definitely have to give God thanks for preserving me from them time until this time. And I mean, still, getting honored and getting recognized for the work that I've done in the music industry. And I just want to say thanks to Corrick for doing such a wonderful job. Because, especially for the females, we don't really get that much highlight, within what we're doing. Corrick is not really honoring only like female DJ like myself. They're honoring other females, in the industry, like people like Nadine Willis and, Sharon Burke, who've been a long time, doing management and stuff like that. And you have, Paul and Porter, who've been on the radio for a very long time, and and I'm really happy about it, and I'm looking forward to have fun and to enjoy myself on the 29th of October, which is Sunday coming, so at Courtly Hotel, that's where it will be. So, people come out, you gotta be entertained.
The artist gives us an update on her current musical happenings.
Where the music is concerned, I'm mostly like on the down low where the recording is concerned, because the whole industry changed. I'm still performing regularly. The whole summer, I'm busy all over the place. I do my thing, still booked same way. So I'm still doing my thing. I still try to record, but I'm not recording as much as I used to.
Caribbean Love announces a stellar lineup for the Jamathon benefit concert. The campaign was launched to mobilize support for relief and recovery efforts by islands affected by Hurricanes Irma and Maria. The concert is scheduled to take place on November 22 at the Red Stripe Oval, featuring performances by Agent Sasko, Beanie Man, Bonnie Whaler, Chris Martin, Romain Virgo, Tommy Lee Sparta and other top performers. Proceeds from the Caribbean Love launched by Joe Bogdanovich will directly go to the people and countries affected by the hurricanes. On the international scene, actor Robert Guillaume has died. Guillaume has played many roles, including the butler in the TV sitcom Benson. The actor lost his battle with prostate cancer and passed away at his Los Angeles home recently. He was 79 years old. E-Prime extends sincere condolences to the family and friends of Robert Guillaume. And that's it for this evening's edition of E-Prime. I'm Daedran. Thank you for watching.